Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is another desktop, right? Because always it's going to be on XFCE and Plasma and stuff like that. So this is one of the 21 desktops we have, and this JWM. It's not about that, it's about the new tweak tool we have, Ctrl-Alt-E. If you update your system, you'll get a new version in from the tweak tool. It's going to be 21.021. Right? And the difference between it is that we've added something to the desktop installer. Well, actually, I don't need you. Super Shift Enter. I do need the terminal, the file manager, 2NR. Here we see already the results of the added code. We have 21 desktops, and when you go through them, you'll probably gonna decide I'm gonna use this one or that one. And then maybe it's a better thing to just go ahead with ArcoLinux D or the B, and you decide, okay, it's going to be ArcoLinux B, DWM or Mate or any of the desktops, and you stick to that, and you'll if you made your decision. Now, when you are installing all these things, many of these desktops require data, configurations, links, scripts inside your .config, right? They require some information here. i3 will not work if it's doesn't have a configuration file. JWM will not work if it does not, etc., etc. So what we do is we copy paste things over from, yes, you know it, etc skel. It's that folder where everything is installed, and when we build an ISO, it will be on the users directory and everything will work fine. But here we need to copy paste everything from the etc skel to, yes, of course, your own system. So now we have added the text here as well. We will back up and overwrite your .config, so this one, and the backup is inside the folder .config ATT. It stands for ArcoLinux Tweak Tool folder, with a date, so the year, the month, the date, and hour, minute and seconds. So we have a unique folder that shows you the backup of whatever you had before you decided to install. Awesome, right? Install. Before anything happens, you get here another folder. A folder that's a backup of this one. So this one and that one. Yes, we use compare a lot, and we meld it. And we see, okay, what's the difference between this guy and that guy? Well, the folder awesome, right? We need to have the folder awesome there. Otherwise, awesome won't work. Simple as that. So there's always a backup. So that's an improvement, I think. And it's called ATT, because there's another one called skel. And you read about that in other videos and articles. And it has a different kind of look, right? Config backup. So this starts from the ArcoLinux Tweak Tool, and this one starts from the skel command, or alias skel. All right, and now you can go experiment things, and if you want to set things back, here's the backups, here are the backups, and you can copy paste everything back in there. All right, enjoy ArcoLinux. Cheers.